How do you say I love you in Somali?
Wankujali hai.
Wakujali.
Wankujali.
Wakujalia.
Wankujali hai.
Wankuja. Yes, of course, wankuja alia. Wankuja alia.
Yes.
Na wale wankuja late. Wankuja late ni sikupendi ama wankujalia.
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 Yeah.
So wankujalia ni you love me.
Wankujalia is I love you.
Okay, tell me that.
Wankujalia.
Asante. What am I supposed to say?
Ana kadaran.
Ay.
Aniga kadaran.
Anil.
Aniga.
Aniga.
Kadaran.
Kadaran. Aniga kadaran.
Aniga kadaran.
Anina. Aniga.
Aniga ya.
Aniga.
Kadaran.
Kadaran.
Yes.
Aniga kadaran. Aniulize.
Wankujalia hai.
Aniga. Kadaran. I'm loving this. What do you say? I love this place.
Meshan adan ujali hai.
Can we make it just easier? What do you say? Okay, nakuja.
Wanso socda.
It's one word. Can you just make it easy? Nakuja. Nakuja.
Yeah, it's wanso socda.
Wanso?
Wanso socda.
Soda inaingilia wapi? Nakuja. Okay. What do you say? Good morning.
Suwah wanaksan.
You know, why do you guys complicate things? Okay, sasa, niambie sasa naki.
Seta hai.
Seta?
Seta hai.
Seta hai.
Yes.
Ha, bye-bye.
Ma'salam.
Ma'salam.
Yes.
Now, do you have a Somali song? Do you now be getting requests? We play Somali music, we don't play one. Teach me one.
Hii sauti si ya kuimba lakini
Tutaimba kama ule mbibi wa keki anaimbaga, tutaimba na hiyo.
Sawa. Idla kagama tagin kugumana iyarine idla kagama tagin.
Hold it right there. What are you saying?
Okay, I'm saying sijaachana na wewe kwa ubaya.
Hujaachana na mimi kwa ubaya? Hold it. Umeachana.
Destiny.
Utanilipua. Destiny is what?
Destiny is alaf.
Alaf?
Yes.
Okay, take me slow. Can I tell you something?
Yes, tell me.
It can't work. We have tried. It can't. Nyinyi na Wameru, there's a problem. We have tried to put it romantically, it's not working. Do you notice that? How do you tell your child I love you? I love you, baby.
Adan kujali hai.
Unakujali ngam?
Ayan kujali hai.
Kuja ala. Yeah, asante sana. Tell all those Kenyan Somalis and the ones waambie tunawapenda and welcome to Churchill Show. We're glad they are watching.
Churchill Show kuso dawada aada yani ni jecelnahay waan ku faraxsanahay daawashadiina.
Yeah. Let's appreciate Nasra, by the way. And Nasra was on BBC. Did you see Nasra on BBC? She was interviewed by BBC. She's one of the first Somali ladies to be interviewed. She has an amazing story, the way she's transforming that. And I hope you're changing the perception of the way people view.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm grateful. Thank you for the love, guys.